Uthondeki wa thitima cia guthondekwo kumana na miruke ya geothermal ni undu ukoretwo gacirithitio na njira nene. Riu bururi wa Kenya ukiingirite rini ria mabururi maria mahuthagira thitima iri ithondekagwo hatari uthukangio wa maria maturigiceirie kana green energy. Niguo gukinyaniria gicunjĩ kia 100% kia uhuthiri wa thitima ici, thirikari ya bururi wa Jerumani ni thukiire mutaratara wa thitima ici kigina gia ciringi mbirioni 3. Riu gukinyaniria wa uthondeki wa thitima makiria ukihurwo njeki.
And the green energy that we are consuming in Kenya is 92% of our consumption is green energy. This has made very many people very happy, and they are saying that Kenya is actually leading in terms of climate change, and we want to move it to 100% by 2030.
Kurigana na nyitite ruhonge-ini rwa uthondeki wa thitima rwa KenGen, kigina giki guteithiriria hanene hari kugacirithia uthondeki wa thitima ithima-ini cia miruki cia Olkaria 1 na Olkaria 4 mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru.
Many countries, as a result of climate change and reduction of rain, are facing blackouts, but in Kenya we don't have blackouts. Then I've come now to the mother of creation of power, KenGen, here in Naivasha, whereby I've looked at the turbines for the geothermal, and this is the largest geothermal station in the world.
Minister wa maundu ma nanja Dr. Alfred Mutua ni agwetete ati kandarathi makiria cia kuguna bururi hari uthondeki wa thitima ikiria kuyugithanirio makiria icera-ini ria maabitha matiganite a thirikari ya bururi wa Jerumani caikwe.
We are expecting the German Chancellor to come and visit Kenya. They have heavily invested in this project. They have given us a lot of money for second phase and improving the geothermal phase, and also we're using German technology in the distribution of power, and we want him to be able to come and see this and see where their money is going to expand.
Ningi Mutua ni atariria ati uthondeki wa thitima cia geothermal bururi-ini ni undu guteithiriria bururi kwihunia hari muigana wa thitima iria bataranagia guku ningi Kenya kimathira kigina kumana na wendia wa thitima nja ya bururi.
Kenya will be a net exporter of power to Europe. Wanaleta magari zao, tunawauzia power. We agreed on Germany about 45 million euros, yes. And we are looking at doubling that figure. And we are happy that using the organization KfW, they are keen to expand, maybe double that, which will allow us to even get more investors. We had meetings with the European Union Council President.
Kameme TV, retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.